Gulab Jamun recipe, soft and juicy Indian dessert. Gulab Jamun is one of the most loved South Asian sweets, often served at weddings, festivals, and family gatherings. These soft, melt-in-the-mouth milk balls are fried to golden perfection and soaked in fragrant sugar syrup flavored with cardamom. If you've always wanted to make restaurant-style Gulab Jamun at home, this easy recipe is for you. Ingredients: for the sugar syrup, 2 cups water, 1¼ cup sugar, 3 cardamom pods, lightly crushed. For the Gulab Jamun, 1 cup milk powder, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon ghee or oil, 1 egg, room temperature. You may need 1½ eggs depending on consistency. Method: Step 1. Prepare the sugar syrup. In a large saucepan, combine sugar, water, and cardamom pods. Bring it to a gentle boil and simmer for 5 to 6 minutes until the sugar is completely dissolved. Turn off the heat and keep the syrup warm while you prepare the Gulab Jamun. Step 2. Make the dough. In a mixing plate or bowl, add milk powder, all-purpose flour, baking powder, and ghee. Lightly mix the dry ingredients. Add the egg gradually. Combine gently until you get a soft, slightly sticky dough. Do not overmix, as this can make the Gulab Jamun hard. Step 3. Shape the balls. Grease your hands with a little oil or ghee. Divide the dough into small, smooth balls. Remember, they will expand while frying and soaking, so keep them small. Step 4. Fry the Gulab Jamun. Heat oil in a deep pan on low-medium flame. The oil should not be too hot. Test it by dipping a wooden spoon or your finger carefully. It should feel warm but not burning. Add the balls one by one. Do not overcrowd the pan. Fry slowly on low heat until they turn golden brown all over. Patience is key here. If fried too quickly, they may remain raw inside. Step 5. Soak in sugar syrup. Remove the fried balls and place them directly into the warm sugar syrup. Let them soak for at least 30 minutes. The Gulab Jamun will absorb the syrup and double in size, becoming soft and juicy. Serving suggestion: serve warm gulab jamun as is, or pair it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream for an indulgent dessert. Perfect for Eid, Diwali, weddings, or simply to satisfy your sweet tooth. Pro tips: always fry on low heat for even cooking. If the dough is too dry, add a few drops of milk. If too sticky, dust lightly with flour. Keep syrup warm, not boiling hot, when adding fried gulab jamuns.